Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with the clip selected and the Lumetri color panel open. First, make an adjustment layer above your clip so you change color non-destructively. Next, in Lumetri, choose the Basic Correction tab to set white balance and exposure. This establishes a neutral baseline so color shifts behave predictably. Once done, set Creative as your working space for the color effect. This is where you'll apply the actual color change and preserve your base corrections. You now build the color effect itself by using Creative Look or manual controls. Start with vibrance and saturation to get global intensity, then move to curves for contrast-driven color shifts because curves let you bend individual RGB channels. For targeted changes, use HSL secondary to isolate hue ranges and refine with saturation, contrast, and a fine mask. This lets you change one color without touching the rest. Make sure to feather and track the mask. You finish by rendering and checking the shot in motion. Static frames can lie. Export a short test clip using Rec. 709 or your target color space and inspect on another monitor to confirm color accuracy. If you see banding, add a touch of noise or switch to a higher bit depth export. This reduces posterization. Finally, if things go wrong, reset the Lumetri instance or disable the adjustment layer to isolate the problem. Then rebuild changes in small increments to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.